Write the value of 2 times of sin power 6x plus cos power 6x minus 3 times of sin power 4x plus cos power 4x plus 1. So let us simplify separately. Sin power 4x plus cos power 4x, first we do it. So which can be written as sin square x whole square plus cos square x whole square. Since we know that a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So let us use this formula here. So we can write sin square x plus cos square x whole square minus 2 times of sin square x into cos square x. So sin square x plus cos square x is nothing but 1. Since we know sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1, so we can write this is 1 square minus 2 sin square x cos square x. So we can conclude that sin power 4 x plus cos power 4x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. And now let us find the sin power 6x. Now sin power 6x plus cos power 6x is equal to, we can write this as sin square x whole power 3 plus cos square x whole power 3. So using the formula a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. So let us use the formula here. So we can write a plus b, that is sin square x plus cos square x into sin square x whole square, that is sin power 4x, cos square x whole square, that is cos power 4x, minus a into b, that is sin square x into cos square x. So which equals to sin square x plus cos square x will give 1. So 1 into sin power 4 plus cos power 4, from the first we can say that 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x, and again minus sin square x into cos square x. So which equals to 1 minus 3 sin square x cos square x, we can write. So now let us substitute in the given. So therefore 2 times of sin power 6x plus cos power 6x minus 3 times of sin power 4x plus cos power 4x plus equals to 2 times of sin power 6x plus cos power 6x, we can write 1 minus 3 sin square x cos square x minus 3 times of sin power 4x plus cos power 4x, we can write 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x plus 1, which equals to 2 minus 6 sin square x cos square x and minus 3 minus or minus plus 6 times sin square x cos square x plus 1. So minus 6 sin square x cos square x and plus get cancelled, and 2 minus 3 is minus 1 and it's plus 1, minus 1 plus 1, we get the answer 0. So we can just confirm that the value of 2 times sin power 6x plus cos power 6x minus 3 times of sin power 4x plus cos power 4x plus 1, answer is 0. Okay, thank you.